Students, today we will read page 89, chapter 7, Understanding Marginalization, class 8th. So, here is a table literacy rate of religion 2011 percentage. These are the table all 74 Hindus, Muslims, Christians 6, Buddhism, Jains, Hindu 63, Muslim 57, Christian 74, 667, Buddhist 71, Jains 86. Which of these committees have the highest and the lowest literacy rate? Jains has the highest and Muslims has the lowest. Public employment of Muslims percentage, population, IES, IPS, IFS, Central Public Sector Unit PSU, State PSU, banks and RBI. So what do these figures convey? Recognizing that Muslims in India were lagging behind in terms of various development indicators, the government set up a high-level committee in 2005 chaired by Justice Rajendra Sachar. The committee examined the social, economic and educational status of the Muslim community in India. The report discussed in detail the marginalization of this community. It suggests that on a range of social, economic, and educational indicators, the situation of the Muslim community is comparable to that of other marginalized communities like scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. For example, according to the report, the average years of schooling for Muslim children between the age of 7 to 16 is much lower than that of the other Shia religion communities. Economic and social marginalization experienced by Muslims has other dimensions as well. Like other minorities, Muslim customs and practices are sometimes quite distinct from what is seen as the mainstream. Read the data related to the schooling provided by the Sachar Committee report. 25% of Muslim children in the 6 to 14 years age group have either never been enrolled in school or have dropped out. This percentage is much higher than that of any other Sioux religious community. Page 58. Do you think special measures are required to address the situations? So we have read this page and we will understand in Hindi. सबसे अधिक साक्षरता दर जैन का है 86%, सबसे कम है मुस्लिम का 57%। यह शिक्षा में असमानता को दर्शाता है। मुसलमानों की सरकारी नौकरियों में भागीदारी भारत की जनसंख्या में मुसलमान 13.5% है, लेकिन उच्च सरकारी पदों पर उनकी भागीदारी बहुत कम है, जैसे IAS 3%, IPS 4%, IFS 1.8%। दर्शाता है कि वह सरकारी सेवाओं में कम प्रतिनिधित्व रखते हैं, सामाजिक और आर्थिक रूप से पिछड़े हैं, शिक्षा का स्तर कम है, सरकारी नौकरियों में अवसर कम है, वे हाशिए पर रहने वाले समुदायों की तरह स्थिति में है। 2005 में सरकार ने न्यायमूर्ति राजेंद्र सचार की अध्यक्षता में समिति बनाई। मुस्लिम की सामाजिक, आर्थिक और शैक्षिक स्थिति का अध्ययन के लिए अध्ययन में यह पता चला कि 6 से 14 वर्ष के 25% मुस्लिम बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाते थे, बीच में पढ़ाई छोड़ देते हैं। So I have made notes also for this page. See, literacy rate by the religion, census 2011. The table shows the literacy rate of the different religious community in India. Hindus 63%, Muslim 57%, Christian 74%, 67%, Buddhist 71%, Jains 86%. Jains have the highest literacy rate 86%, Muslims have the lowest literacy rate 57%. This shows inequality in education among different communities. Then comes the second topic is public employment of Muslims. Sachar community report. Although Muslims are 13.5% of India's population, their representation in government jobs is very low. IAS 3%, IPS 4%, IFS 1.8%, Central PSU 3.3%, state PSU 10.8%, banks and RBI 2.2%. This shows Muslims are underrepresented high government position. Third point is what do these figures convey? These figures shows that Muslims are socially and economically backward. Their education level is lower. They have fewer opportunities in government jobs. They face marginalization like SCs and STs. Then fourth point is Sachar Committee Report. In 2005, the Government of India formed a high-level committee chaired by Justice Rajendra Sachar. Purpose to study the social, economic and educational conditions of Muslims in India. Important findings: 25% of Muslim children 16 to 14 years have either never attended school or dropped out. This percentage is higher than any other SEO religion groups. Then fifth is our important questions and answers. Question 1, which committee has the highest literacy rate? Answer is Jains, 86%. Question 2, which committee has the lowest literacy rate? Answer is Muslims, 57%. Question 3, who headed the Sachar committee? Answer is Justice Rajendra Sachar. Question 4, why was the Sachar committee formed? Answer, to study the social, economic and educational condition of Muslims in India. Question 5, what percentage of Muslim children are out of the school? Answer is 25%. Long answer type question. Question, what does the Sachar committee report reveals about the condition of Muslims in India? Answer, the Sachar committee report reveals that Muslims in India are socially, economically and educationally backward. Their literacy rate is low and their representation in government jobs is also very low compared to their population. Many Muslim children dropped out of the school. The report shows that Muslims face marginalization and need special measures for improvement. So we have read page 89 today. Thank you, students.